Leading Forex Academy is finally here, and we are starting this from Accra. The good news is that if you want to be able to learn Forex trading face to face, one-on-one with me, in the same room, in the same class, then this is the time to join Leading Forex Academy. I have taken my time all this while praying about this, thinking about this, making all the homeworks I am supposed to do. And I think finally I am done and ready to unleash this whole dragon called Leading Forex Academy. What is this academy all about? What we're going to be doing is that I will want to teach you Forex trading one-on-one, face-to-face, but it will come with a fee. Now, the academy is going to be on only Saturdays. The academy is going to operate on only Saturdays. So on Saturdays, we will meet in Accra. We have an office space where we will meet, and then I will teach you Forex trading one-on-one, face-to-face. The detail is that whilst I am teaching you this, I will also guide you to have a live trading account and be trading along with me so that you can be making profits or you can be making earnings whilst you are also learning. The academy have 3 main courses: the beginner course, the intermediate course, and the advanced course. It is my dream that this whole academy will go to other parts of the country and also go beyond Ghana to other parts of Africa, and then the whole wide world by the grace of God. And I believe and hope that this will become a reality if I am able to prove myself right before you, when I am able to meet you and be able to teach you and be able to help you make profit or make money in Forex trading. It is only then that I believe and hope that that testimony will come out from your mouth to others who will also become students of the academy. So it is a big challenge. The challenge is that I need to make you profitable. That is the only way the academy can grow. And so I took my time, prayed about this, did all the necessary research and homework before coming up with this idea. I already know a lot of us have attended some classes, some mentorship trainings, and then other lessons. But I know this will be different because of what I intend to do. So let me give you the details. The office space we have in Accra will be able to accommodate only 15 people. So the class is going to be for only 15 people. And the training is going to be on Saturdays only. Saturdays only. So in a month, we will meet only 4 times in a month on Saturdays. On those Saturdays, we are going to have 2 main sessions. The morning session, which will begin 9 a.m. and end 12 noon. Then the afternoon session, which will begin 2 p.m. and end 5 p.m. So we will have 2 sessions every Saturday. So in total, we're supposed to have 8 sessions in a month, because 4 weeks is going to be 4 days, 4 Saturdays. And each of the Saturdays, we will meet 2 times, morning and afternoon. So the beginner course is going to take us 1 month. The intermediate course is going to take us 1 month. And the advanced course is also going to take us 1 month. Each of this course will take or will cost you an amount of $100. Now, what is the plan? The plan is that if you are able to enroll in the beginner course, once we start, I am also going to help you get a live account. Then you can deposit some money into the live account so that whilst you are learning, I will be helping you to trade along and be making profits or be making some profits whilst you are learning, so that before the 1 month will end, you'll be able to make some profits that will enable you to enroll for the intermediate course if you wish to, and also help you in the second month so that you make some profit to be able to enroll in the advanced course in the third month if you want to. The only way this academy will stand is when I am able to deliver and when I'm able to make you profitable. This is a big challenge. I have carefully thought about it, done all the research, done all the homework before coming up with this, because I know a lot of people on the internet are doing so many things. So how would I be able to prove myself worthy of this course? So I have carefully thought of it before coming up. And believe me, if I'm able to achieve this, that is the only way I can be able to reach other parts of the country, Ghana, and even go beyond Ghana to other African countries and to the whole wide world. So this is a dream I am not taking lightly. I believe and I know this is the right way to start this. So the physical meeting is going to start in Accra, and I know the first batch of you that are going to enroll, the testimonies and the results that will come from you will determine the success of this academy called Leading Forex Academy. So with all seriousness, if you are ready for us to do this, then I am also ready for you. Today is 11th of February. Between now and 11th of March, which is exactly 1 month, whoever will want to enroll in this first batch, please, at the description of this video, go to the description of this video. You will see a group link. Join the link, and we will guide you to make your payment for us to start this academy on the 15th of March. 15th of March will be the first Saturday for our training to start. So please, between today, 11th February to 11th of March, whoever is interested in this physical meeting should be able to make payment so that on the 15th of March, we will begin Leading Forex Academy in Accra. Since this is going to be once in a week, which is every Saturday, this means that the rest of the days, I can still meet you here on YouTube. I can still meet you on Telegram and continue what I've been doing here with you on the internet. So those of you who are not going to partake in the physical class, you are still going to be benefiting from this YouTube channel and other social media platforms, my Telegram channels. So you have nothing to lose. Those of you in my VIP group, you are still going to enjoy the benefits. Those of you in the free Telegram channel, you are going to enjoy. Those of you in my downline group, you are going to enjoy. And then also, those of you who are going to enroll in the academy are also going to benefit. But the bigger picture is to take this whole academy thing to the next level. I want to distinguish myself from others. And I know your success is my surest way to making it possible. And that is why I want us to do this. If you are interested, join the link, the group link at the description. This is going to be physical meeting, no online meeting, please. At the moment, the Saturday meetings are physical. So it means that you have to come to the classroom or the location. It's an office. So it means you have to come to that office, and then we will meet, and then we'll do this training physical, practically. So I am looking forward to meeting you for us to start this whole academy. And then again, let me assure you that whilst you are learning, you will also be trading along with me. Once you understand the basics and how to enter a trade and follow me, we will be trading and making profit together. So that before the 1 month will end, or before the 2 months or 3 months, depending on how long you want to stay in the academy, before that will end, you will have a success story to tell others so that they can also take advantage. I know those of you who will take part in this academy will definitely be sharing your testimonies here in videos like this in future. And that is where I'll get that fulfillment, that through me, I have been able to distinguish myself from other traders. Leading Forex Academy, we have come. I want to see you taking part in this academy. For now, it's only for those of you in Accra or those of you who will be able to come to Accra every Saturday to come and learn. If you are ready and interested, go to the description of this video and join the group link. Only for those who are ready to join. Please, you are the only people permitted to join this group for us to start, hopefully, on the 15th of March and see where God will put us. So I'll be seeing you in the group and we will take other discussions further. But those of you who are on the internet, whom I'm already teaching, whom I'm already guiding and helping, we are still going to continue because this academy is just Saturdays. So you have nothing to lose. Everything is still intact. I'll see you when the academy begins. See you in the group and then we'll continue. Kofi Dollar, thank you for coming and joining Leading Forex Academy. Bye for now.